think you should.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm doing the unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I believe that's what it's called. It's called the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And this is the 256 gigabytes. Because I've been having so many issues with filming and never having enough storage, this phone is what I'm gonna need to do more videos. So I thought I would do an unboxing with you guys. So you only can get space gray, silver, and this green in the Pro Max, the Max Pro. So I end up getting the green color. Oh, it is Pro Max. iPhone Pro Max. And then it's the 256 gigabytes. So this phone is a little bit more because of the storage. So anyways, let's open this phone today. I'm so excited. Before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell button so you'll be notified of every video I upload. All right, so here we go. Now, I can see right here, I'm gonna have to pull this. You can feel like, I don't know what you call it when the paper sticks up. It's feel a little puffy right here. You can feel like the edge of the phone. And let me see. Oh my God. There go my new phone. All right, so I really don't know nothing much about this phone, but as you can see, it has the 3 cameras. Has a flash, and I'm still, new to what this phone can do because I'm going from an 8 Plus to this 11 Pro Max. Oh my God, look at it. I should compare it with my other phone. I don't even know if I could. Well, look at this. You'll see the glare, everything. All right, so in this phone, with this phone, it looked like just a regular box. You pull this back, and then you have your earbuds. The earbuds. I wish it did come with AirPods, but you got the earbuds. Oh, this is something different. This charger. This is different. The charger is different. I wonder. I see it look like a metal around the edges, and the back part look matte. Do y'all see those little sleek little lines? Okay, but this cord is different. It's not like a regular USB. Look how the charger is made. This is not the regular USB. And this cord is so little. Why do Apple always get a little cords? And then AirPods. So anyways, this was just a quick video to do an unboxing with you guys. I got to get ready to set my new phone up. But let's compare it real quick with the 8 Plus. Okay. So here's my 8 Plus. I have the red one. And I got this little case on it, but it's raggedy. So anyways, as you can see, look at the quality in the camera. I only have like, oh, well, I guess it was 2 kind of cameras. And then let's compare. I don't know if it's because this case is on here, but it seems like about the same size. Yeah, it seems about the same size. So that I like. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me with this unboxing. Now, if you like this video and this video was helpful, please go ahead and click that like button. Also, don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Anyway, thank you for stopping by and watching this unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love. Peace.